Hi, I'm Gunjan and I'm here to give you a review on Shakti Drop. It's a pure water extract of 8 organic herbs, and these herbs are certified. It's organic. And let's know what are the 8 herbs used in Shakti Drop. The Amla, Ashwagandha, Brahmi, Bhringraj, Amrut, Sankh Pushpi, Shatavari, Yashti Madhu. These are the 8 herbs used in this. The water, pure water of these 8 herbs are in Shakti Drop, and it's certified. It's organic and certified. It builds strength. It's an immunity booster. It keeps a cancer cell away from the body. It has many benefits. Many people have given their personal review, and even I use it every day. How to use it? Just take 250 ml of water and mix 5 to 6 drop of Shakti Drop in it and have it. Suppose in case if you have taken any suggestion from a doctor, then just go according to the physician. Make sure you keep Shakti Drop away from direct sunlight, and yes, it really helps. This really helps. It has no side effects, and as it is Ayurvedic product, and it's used by many people. Crores of people are using Shakti Drop and they have seen the benefit. And if you want to avail big discount on Shakti Drop, just buy this product from shrishritattva.com and apply coupon code MAYGUNJAN8 to get discount on Shakti Drop. No, not just Shakti Drop, every product of Shri Tattva you can avail discount with a coupon code MAYGUNJAN8. Happy shopping. Do buy Shakti Drop for your own well-being. Take care.